Hello everyone, my name is Shakib. I'm from Bangladesh. I am happy to start this English speaking practice challenge. So I love learn a new skill. So that's why I taken a 30 days speaking English speaking challenge. So I when people are talking in English in front of me, or when I watching YouTube video or podcast, I listen and understand. But when I try to speak English, but I cannot. So that's why I want to improve my English, and then I taken this challenge. Today, this is the day number 1, and today I will introduce myself. I am a student and I am from Bangladesh. I am studying in degree level and I like creating videos. I have two YouTube channel. Number one is Saiful Islam Shakib and second one is Learn with Shakib. I make two type of videos. Number one, Saiful Islam Shakib. This is my main channel where I share my blog video, and second one is Learn with Shakib. This is educational channel where I share my thoughts, my experience, my skill. Um, and also I am a digital marketing expert, especially Facebook ad and TikTok ad. So education channel, my education channel called Learn with Shakib, where I share digital marketing tips and tricks. And if you want to learn digital marketing, please visit my YouTube channel. And if you new in online and you want to learn basic computer, you visit my channel, and here I have few videos. If you watch the video, the playlist basic computer course, so you learn basic computer. English is the most important language. Because of that, English is international language. So if I know English and if I talking fluently in English, so I know my future will be very well. So when I talking in English, I know I make mistake. I know I make a lot of mistakes. So if you know how to speak English properly, so and if you find mistake any sentence or grammatical problem in my English speaking journey and in this video especially, so please please let me know, let me know in the description, video description. So I want to learn, and that's why I creating this video. So today I am not want to be perfect, but I am want to be perfect in yesterday. So today I learned 5 new English word. Number one is fluent. I am not fluent in English. And challenge, I start 30-day English speaking challenge. And third was is confident. When I talking English, my confidence will be built and improve. I want to improve my English speaking. And fifth word is journey. This is my English speaking journey. So this is the video I will talking to camera and practice my English speaking. I know I make a lot of mistakes, so if you find mistakes, please comment in the video, so I will correct my pronunciation, or I will correct my sentence and grammatical mistake. So this is the best journey. I hope this is the best journey for me, before 30 days. 30 days, this is the day one. Before 30 days, I hope I learn English and I confidently speaking in English. So thanks for watching this video, and see you next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.